In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay a traffic ticket online in Raleigh. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Durham County website at darrents.gov. Even if you're specifically looking for traffic payment information, starting from the county site helps make sure you're using the correct official page rather than a third-party site. Once the page loads, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and find the option labeled Pay Traffic Ticket. Click that to continue. On the next page, scroll down until you find the section about paying online. You're looking for the information that explains you can pay your citation using a credit or debit card through the eCourts portal. This section also mentions that the online payment system uses a secure third-party vendor and that there may be an additional fee. It's a good idea to read this part carefully so you know what to expect before moving forward. Once you find that section, click on the eCourts portal link. This will open a new tab and take you to the payment portal where you can begin the actual payment process. When the portal opens, look for the Make Payments area. From there, you'll need to choose a search type so the system can locate your citation. Select the search type that fits your situation. In this example, the search type is driver's license, which is often one of the easiest ways to find a traffic case quickly. After selecting driver's license as the search type, choose the state for that license from the state drop-down menu. Make sure you select the correct state, because the system uses that information along with the license number to find the matching record. Next, enter the driver's license number in the search field. Take a moment here to type carefully and double-check the number before submitting. A small typo can prevent the system from finding your ticket, so accuracy matters. When everything is filled in, click Submit. At that point, the portal should search for your information and bring up the citation or payment details connected to the license information you entered. From there, you can continue through the payment process on the screen. As a final tip, before you complete any online payment, make sure the ticket information shown matches your citation exactly. Also keep a copy of your confirmation page or receipt once the payment is finished, just in case you need proof later. That's it. This is a straightforward way to pay a traffic ticket online using the official county and court payment system.